Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add tags in OneDrive. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, that is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to add tags. This right here is a video. I'm simply gonna open it. Do note that you can do the same for photos or videos. And right here, as you can see, this thing opened up. Right here next to download on the top, you will find these three dots. That is called as more. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Right here, just below embed, you can see something called as edit tags. Click on it and this thing will open up. From here, you can simply add tags. Do note that you can add from existing tags as well. You can add whatever you wish. I'm gonna add a few right now. As you can see, I have typed something. Once I'm okay with it, simply hit on enter. And guys, that is it. That's how you add tags. Likewise, you can do the same for photos as well. Simply click on these three dots right next to download and hit on edit tags. The process is same. And guys, that is the gist of it. That's how we add tags on media using OneDrive. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.